When Google unveiled the Pixel 10 series at the Made by Google 2025 event earlier this week, reactions were mixed. While the tech world buzzed with talk about refined design, improved performance, and new AI features, some longtime Pixel fans were left wondering, where's the big leap? What sets the Pixel 10 apart from the Pixel 9? Well, Google had a surprise, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a feature that could change the future of mobile connectivity. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. On August 28th, the Pixel 10 series will become the first ever Pixel phones to support WhatsApp voice and video calls by satellite connectivity. That's right, no Wi-Fi, no mobile network, no problem. With this update, Pixel 10 users will be able to make and receive WhatsApp calls even in the most remote areas where catching even a single signal is impossible. The satellite-powered WhatsApp calling feature will be available across the entire Pixel 10 lineup, including the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and of course, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. While satellite messaging has made its way into recent smartphones, especially for emergency use, WhatsApp audio and video calls via satellite is a first by making everyday communication possible beyond normal coverage zones. Whether you're trekking through the mountains, sailing miles offshore, or simply exploring places far from cellular towers, this feature turns your Pixel 10 into a lifeline. But everything comes at a price. To use satellite WhatsApp calling, you'll need a subscription with a participating carrier and be prepared for additional charges, as satellite calling won't be covered under regular phone plans. Google has yet to reveal the full list of partner carriers or pricing, but more information is expected closer to the August 28th launch. Even at a price, this feature can be life-saving, especially for those who crave adventure or simply want to future-proof their communication. Google may have just delivered the most exciting update of the year, and this is what'll make Pixel 10 stand apart from other smartphones. What's your opinion on this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.